So I've got to get this area prepped this morning, ready for concrete arrival at 9:30, and our volunteers to help us put the base in for the new workshop. So that's what I'm going to crack on with and get the steels laid down. So massive thanks to the driver from Ireland Aggregates. Not only did he manage to squeeze the wagon into the spot where we needed to get it, he remained calm, patient and quite jovial the entire time. So thank you very much. You made the job a lot less stressful. And yeah, we sort of ran slightly short on concrete near the end of the job, but we've left it in such a way it's easy to finish off at a later date. So we're nearly there now, and the next job will be actually building the workshop, which I'm really excited about. So until the next video, cheers guys, see you soon.